What's going on, guys? Just a quick video, just to install a PlayStation at the back of my Land Rover. We're going on a road trip, about 3k mile round trip to Europe, and my son wanted to have a PlayStation at the back of the car just to keep him entertained and not bored. So yeah, I did a couple of research, and I came up with these few gadgets which I would like to share with you. So obviously, first of all, you need your PlayStation, and right, so that's the PS4 Pro, which consumes much more power. The standard PlayStation consumes about between 90 and 150, but I think this consumes a bit much more because it's the Pro. Anyway, so obviously you need your PlayStation, and then that's the headrest Headrest Mount for the monitor. I'll put a link and descriptions of all these things just under the video. And then with the monitor, right, so there were lots of monitors on the market, but what I was looking for is a monitor with HDMI, because most of them only have type C USB, which sort of powers the monitor, and then also sends the video signal. But I'm not sure if the PlayStation could do that, and I didn't want to take any chance because I didn't have much time. So I just went for the Gene Story portable gaming monitor. It comes with a remote control, and then it's 15.6 inches as well, HDR, type C, and then a micro USB port as well. Now if you open this, it looks very solid and well made as well. It comes in this beautiful case. It's this beautiful case, and it's very thin and very light. So it comes with a cover as well, front cover. I've put a screen protector on it just to protect it from other damages and all that. Yeah, so that's how. Yeah, so yeah, it's very thin, very extremely thin as well. It's got these buttons here to control it if you're not using the remote control, and then it's got a USB-C, two USB-Cs, and then micro HDMI, and then a normal USB for power. But I use the USB-C for power, and then pick up the power from the PlayStation and then plug it here, and then it gets its power from the PlayStation. So I'm just gonna mount it on this headrest mount now. So I forgot to mention this. We just mounted the monitor and all that. So with the mount on the monitor, there's this extension at the back where you can extend it, and then the middle and the far right passenger can also share, can view what's happening on the monitor. So it's very suitable if you have 2 or 3 kids or more people at the back seat. So you just push it in, and then you click here. It looks very steady, to be honest. Well, we've done this, we've used this for our trip already, so I can honestly say, it didn't give us any problems at all. It's just, it did what it's supposed to do. Now with the inverter, that's the most important bit. We tried 3 inverters, 2 energizers. One was 500 watts, the other one was 1000 with 2000 peak power watts, but they all didn't work. They didn't. What happens is they just come on, and then they just turn off by itself when you hit the bump, or when there's just a little wobble at the back. It wasn't good. Anyway, so upon further research, we came up with this. When it had good reviews, we wanted to give it a try, and it was fabulous. It was brilliant. It did what it was supposed to do. So yeah, I will recommend it. But the only thing is, when you get it out of the box, it only comes. When you get it out of the box, that's how it is. It only comes with these cables to hook up to the main battery. So what I did was I did my own modification. I picked up this. I had this 12 volts. This 12 volts secret plug. I had it on one of my devices which was broken, so I just cut it off, and then I did my own sort of surgery modifications on this, and it worked brilliantly. So that's the inverter. It's 1000 watts, and then it can generate 2000 watts at the peak time. And these are other fuse. The fuse is just here. I think they are 35 ohms, 35 ohms fuse. And the working temperature is minus 20 degrees to minus 55, which is good because we've got upcoming trip in Norway. It wouldn't be that cold, I hope not. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it. These are the specifications in case you want to take a look at it. Right, so the inverter is plugged into the cigarette lighter, and the power switch, the main switch is here. You just turn it on, and then the PlayStation is plugged in, obviously. Now the monitor picks its power at the back from the PlayStation, the USB the USB port at the back of the PlayStation. That's where the monitor picks its power from the USB-C, and you can see it connects here, and then that's the HDMI for the video. Now, so you only need to plug in just one device. That's all you need to plug in, just one, and then that's it. We use this entire setup for a 3k mile round trip to Europe, and it was just brilliant. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. So I'll put the link of all the devices and all the items under the video, just under the video. Hope you find this video very useful. Thank you for watching.